always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no
We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Today is the day I have to clean the stove. We are now on day 11 of our extreme truck camper makeover. Thank you to our subscribers for watching. If you are new here, thanks for watching and hope you join our adventures. The wire reeling made a little bit of a difference, not a whole lot though.
The 2x4s are now cut with the proper angle to hold the roof up. We haven't tied the sides in yet, but the bottom of the 2x4s are attached to the 4x4 going across. The tin needs to be folded in around the 2x4s. Eventually we'll have to build a window frame and more supports back and forth.
This is what the outside looks like on day 11. It is starting to have some shape to it. Your vision's coming alive. We now have to fix the sink leak with these O-rings. was leaking out of this pipe underneath the sink. This is the final look after cleaning it up as much as I can without paint, and I don't want to do that. I am going to be putting up a backsplash all around the stove area. Here is how it looks all put together. Got the wood cut to patch up this hole. And I managed to get this one cut pretty good too. It's starting to come together. Hit the subscribe and notification button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Leave us a comment, we'd love to hear from you.